Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, children. So let's continue with our class. Sixth one, the main important minerals. Since Asia is the largest continent, everyone knows that, right? Asia है सबसे बड़ा continent है. So it has many minerals deposit. Minerals के खदान. Okay. So some are iron ore, which is the main raw material of the production, iron and steel. Asia is rich in iron ore. Okay, so 30% of world reserves the iron ore. China is the leading producer. India, Turkey, Philippines, Malaysia, Thailand, Myanmar जो है ये है इसके next producers है. Okay, then Korean, Taiwan, Sri Lanka, Japan and other countries are poor in iron ore. जो ये जो countries है वो iron के reserves में कम है. Okay. So just see this important minerals: platinum, diamond, coal, gold, wolfite, copper, bauxite, lead, mica, nickel, tin and all. Okay. Next, see this. Some are manganese, which is considered as the most important for fellow metals. Okay. So it is essential for good quality of steel. Next come bauxite, which is the main source of aluminium and which is one of the non-ferrous metals. Its reserve found in Kazakhstan and South Central Siberia. Okay. Next come coal. It is a fossil fuel. सबको मालूम है कि coal एक fossil fuel है and it is originated from the plant origin. It is important source of energy. Okay. So Asia is rich in fossil fuel, that is coal reserves. Okay. The largest reserves are found in China, India, Indonesia, Siberia and many more countries. Next come China is the largest possessor of producers of coal in the world. China, coal is available in all region of China. Okay, so the various countries that has been there for that is Kazakhstan. Recently Kazakh basin of South Central Siberia has become the biggest producer of coal. Next comes the petroleum. It is a mineral oil and very important source of power of automobiles. पेट्रोल जैसे बोलते हैं ना गाड़ियों में पेट्रोल की जरूरत पड़ती, पेट्रोल की जरूरत हमें ज़्यादा पड़ती है, बिना पेट्रोल के हम गाड़ी चला नहीं सकते. तो पेट्रोल एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो हमारे देश के लिए बहुत मान्यता है, वी कैन से इम्पोर्टेंस है. जैसे सोर्स पावर्स ऑफ ऑटोमोबाइल्स, वी नीड पेट्रोल फॉर ड्राइविंग द कार, बाइक एंड मेनी ऑटोमोबाइल्स things, right? जैसे railways, ships, aeroplane, even aeroplane needs a petrol, right? So Southwestern Asia has been the largest reservoir of petroleum. ठीक है, जो United Arabs में इराक में है, like which are located in Iraq, Kuwait, Iran, Bahrain, Qatar and all, and UAE, that is in Dubai. Mostly the Asia is have 25% of world's petroleum. इन सब अदर कंट्रीज जैसे ईस्टर्न एंड साउथ ईस्टर्न एशिया है जहाँ पेट्रोल रिजर्व्स है, जैसे और इंडोनेशिया है, मलेशिया है, उधर भी पेट्रोल रिजर्व्स है. दे हैव इंक्रीज द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ पेट्रोलियम. पेट्रोलियम की जो प्रोडक्शन है वो इंक्रीज करते गए वो लोग. ओके, सो लेट्स गो विद द नेक्स्ट पेज. सो जो द टर्म पेट्रोल, जो पेट्रोल वर्ड किधर से आया बोले तो लैटिन वर्ड्स, दैट इज पेट्रा, उसका मतलब है रॉक, एंड ओलियम का मतलब है ऑयल, रॉक ऑयल, दैट इज पेट्रोलियम. ठीक है. सो major industries region, despite of large size and rich mineral and agriculture resources, the continent of Asia is generally industrialized than Europe. So it has large size and rich in mineral and agriculture sources are very high. The continent of Asia is generally less industrialized than Europe. इंडस्ट्रियस पर्पल इंडस्ट्री एरिया से कंपेयर करें तो एशिया यूरोप के मुकाबले लेस है. The main reason is situation of lack of technology. Modern technology methods जो है अभी डेवलप नहीं हुए इस वजह, जैसे कैपिटल है, कंजर्वेटिव एटीट्यूड्स है टूवर्ड्स द इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन एंड लार्ज पॉपुलेशन विच एंगेज इन एग्रीकल्चर. तो इंडिया में क्या है, मोस्टली जो पीपल्स है ना पूरे वी कैन से 1/3 of the people are engaged in agriculture. Mostly people in Asia are engaged in agriculture, so they lack the technology, population and positive attitudes towards that and all. Okay, so an area dominated by industries and industries activities is called industrial region. जो area इंडस्ट्रीज को डोमिनेट करता है और